What's going on, guys? In this video we are going to see how to resize an image on a website. Let's go ahead and see how to open the image first. To open an image through a web page, we have to type img and src and whatever the image name is. Here I'm going to open this 1.jpg. This is the let me open this. This is the image I'm going to open through the web page. Now to open that through the web page, I put img src, and after that inside of this quote mark I had to put whatever the name of the image is. Here the image name is 1.jpg. I'm going to put it right here, 1.jpg. Okay, here we go. Click this one, 1.jpg, and then / close this one. Okay, now let's serve this file, serve, and when I open this index, you will see the image is appearing. Now we are going to see how can we resize this image. Now to resize this image, all we have to do is just put a height right here, height, and whatever the size you give, it's going to be the image size. Now let's put 500 and serve, and when I open this one, you can see the image became bigger, and you can do that as much as you want. Like if you put 50, it's going to be very small. Let's put 50 and serve this one, serve, and when I open this one, it became very small. And that's how we can resize an image through a web page using HTML. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you're trying to learn XHTML and CSS, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.